In front of me is LENOVO Tab K11 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. Begin by launching your keyboard and tapping on this icon of a color palette at the top of it. Now you can scroll and click on those icons at the top right corners. This way you will see all available themes. Tap on the best one. Manage keyboards thanks to this switcher, and when you're ready, hit apply. This way the theme of my keyboard has changed. If you wish to customize it though, which is my personal favorite, click on the same icon, and this time use +1 under my themes. Now tap on a photo you wanna apply as your new keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move, and hit next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Hit done. Manage keyboards and tap on apply. If you wish to edit any of your keyboards, go back to the same section, and when it comes to downloaded ones, tap on the chosen one, and to get rid of it from my theme section, use this bin at the top right corner. Then choose yes. And if you want to ever get back to it, just download it the same way as you would before. When it comes to custom themes, click on it, and to edit it, click on this pen at the top right corner. Then make your changes. Choose next. Then save and tap on apply. To get rid of any of your custom themes, you can tap on this bin at the top right corner. Make sure to be sure of your choice because you will have to create it all over again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!